nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly enchanting tale to share, one that unfolds deep within the heart of a mystical forest. Join us as we uncover the secrets and magic of the whispers of the ancient woods. Our journey begins in a secluded forest, untouched by time. Towering trees reach for the sky, their branches weaving a canopy that plays with the dappled sunlight. This is a place where every rustle of the leaves, every chirp of the birds, and every whisper of the wind tells a story of the ancient woods. Legend has it that the forest is guarded by mystical creatures, guardians who have watched over its secrets for centuries. Let's meet one of them. Hello, Guardian. Can you share with us the magic that resides within these woods? These woods are a living tapestry of life. Every tree, every creature, holds a piece of the ancient magic that keeps the balance. As day turns to night, the forest comes alive with the dance of nature. Fireflies light up the dark, and the trees seem to sway in harmony with the wind. It's as if the forest itself is performing a grand ballet, and we're lucky enough to witness its mesmerizing moves. Our journey takes an exciting turn as we discover hidden wonders within the forest's ancient ruins, forgotten by time. These ruins hold the echoes of a civilization long gone. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of the ancient woods. As the sun sets on our adventure, we can't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to experience the magic of the ancient woods. Remember, nature has a story to tell if we're willing to listen. Thank you for joining us on this mystical journey. If you enjoyed the whispers of the ancient woods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and stay enchanted.